In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Instagram to the GPT Connect platform. But first, make sure that your Instagram account is set to professional or business mode. Follow me as I help you set up your Instagram professional account. First, go to the Instagram app from your mobile phone. Navigate to Settings and select Account Type in Tools. Click Switch to Professional Account. Set up your account according to your preference. Instagram Automation allows Instagram business accounts to use the chatbot feature in managing Instagram DM and comment automation. Skip the part where you connect to Facebook. We will do this from our Facebook page settings. Next, in order to manage Instagram messages via GP Connect, you must enable the Connected Tools toggle under Message Control Settings. Instagram account all set. Now, we head over to our Facebook page and go to Settings. Navigate to Linked Accounts and view Instagram. Click on Connect Account and log in your Instagram account. You have now successfully connected your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Go back to your dashboard and go to Settings, Channels, and navigate to Instagram. Click Connect and add your Instagram professional account. You now have successfully connected your Instagram professional account. Got questions or need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline in the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect.